No, not anymore. I wonder why. For those of you who don't know, J.K. Rowling has previously... She's been slated because she said some quite nasty and controversial things about transgender people, and it's had quite a big effect and it's upset a lot of people. And so with the 20th anniversary reunion of Harry Potter that aired quite recently, she was not invited to take part. You know, which I think is quite nice. Like, she doesn't even go here. She's a virgin who can't drive. That kind of energy. But what really made me laugh is that they would actually have various interview clips with J.K. Rowling showing with a little apologetic disclaimer at the top that said, filmed in 2019. Which is it's the same kind of awkward apology that you'd get from your parents when they've just revealed that your horrible aunt has been invited for Christmas dinner. You know, like, and you confront your dad about it, and your dad's like, look, we didn't want to invite her. She got us a present, you know, she got us a box of biscuits from Marks. They're expensive, they're really nice biscuits, they're more chocolate than biscuits, you know. really nice biscuits, and like, she means well. She got you a present, just you. Like, yes, I know it was a really strange box of mysterious soap. It's been re-gifted 5 times and was probably manufactured way before lead was criminalised. But she means well. Actually, no, she doesn't mean well. She votes Conservative, but yeah, she does her best. I know, she occasionally punches vulnerable children in the face. She'll also donate a couple of tins of beans to the Harvest Festival. She tries. And anyway, if we don't invite her, then your racist grandma is going to complain. We'll never hear the end of it. And yes, in this analogy, the racist grandma is a metaphor for Piers Morgan. We just will never hear the end of it, and she'll just go on. And yes, I know your aunt's a horrible person. I know she told you that you were too fat to get a boyfriend when you were only 10 years old. And she single-handedly stopped the death of reading in the late 90s. If it wasn't for her, Tony Blair was going to burn all the books, blind all the children, and your Auntie Joanne flew into battle bare-breasted and gave every single man, woman and child a copy of Harry Potter and the Prehistoric Bone. And everybody immediately got a first-class degree with honours in English literature from a red brick prestigious Russell Group University, and they immediately went into a fulfilling career of business administration. If it weren't for your Auntie Joanne, we'd have no administrators. People would have to do their own bastard paperwork. What really annoys me about J.K. Rowling is that she'll just randomly decide that her characters are gay after people have like stopped caring about them. She's like, oh, Dumbledore's gay, like, okay, that wasn't in the book. I'm so much of a fan that I do like obsessively watch interviews with J.K. Rowling just for comedy jokes. And she actually revealed in one of these interviews that Hedwig the owl was a lesbian the whole time. It's very clear that Hedwig is a lesbian because she's got a forearm tattoo and a pierced clitoris. But the biggest giveaway is that she really, really likes Hooters. You know, Hedwig. Thank you, Basket. Hedwig, so named because she gives good head and she'll snatch your wig.